How to fix if Netflix has encountered an error. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Help Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix if Netflix has encountered an error. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, whenever Netflix says that it has encountered an error, it could most likely be the issue with the server. So in order to check that, we will launch our respective browsers on our device. Once we launch our browser, in the search box, we will simply type in "is Netflix down?" So when we search for "is Netflix down?", we will see a list of results, and if the Netflix is currently up, then it means that it's most likely not the server issue. But if you go to this website called downdetector.com, and if you view within this website and if you see a sudden spike in the number of reports that you see, it means that Netflix application is most likely facing an issue, because a sudden spike in the number of reports means that many users are also complaining. If not, then we have to simply wait until Netflix fixes this issue themselves. And after that, what we can do is we can launch respective settings. Once we launch our settings, go to the option called apps. And once you go to apps, on the list of these applications, just go ahead and then search for the Netflix application. So as you can see over here, tap on the Netflix button and then just select it up. Once you tap on the Netflix option, scroll down to the bottom, select storage. Try to clear the cache files if possible, also clear the data, but keep in mind that clearing the data will delete any of the downloads that you have made within the app. And last but not the least, just go over and open a respective app store. In the search box, type in Netflix, and if you see an update button there next to Netflix, I want you to go over and simply update the Netflix app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. And hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.